I'm just gonna say that this never really happens to me. This subscriber found me all the way in the Philippines. This is Devin and his beautiful family from Guam. As you might know, my channel has 26,000 subs. On this day, my driver and I were cutting through the traffic through Makati. I had a 3 o'clock meeting at the Power Plant Mall in Rockwell. Every premium label was there at Power Plant Mall and the retailing was next level. I pulled up to the grid, which was a mini food court. Inside of the food court, Tines and the crew wanted bored and hungry. Big shout out Andy and Nando and the BH crew. And then this happened.
That fucking look like Jon Phenom, bro. You know?
I was just gonna say that this never really happens to me. Are you from here?
No, I'm from Guam.
He's from... Yo,
Guam.
big shout out to Guam. What's your name, bro?
Devin.
No, what? Do you have a brand?
The Vault, our brand is The Vault. The Vault GU. I learned a lot.
You're wearing it too?
I learned a lot from this guy, man. Yeah, so really, man.
Shout out Devin and the Vault, and shout out you, internet.